Hi, class. It's Mrs. Rogers again, and I'm at home this time. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to put your math notebook page together for the week. You should have your pieces cut out. Here's your title. And remember, it's going to look backwards for the camera, but here's your title. And then you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, okay? And then don't forget to have your notebook open to your next empty page. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take these 2 pieces, and what you're going to do is you're going to glue this piece on top of this one. So it'll be like a little flap, okay? And plus you see it says glue right here at the top. So take your glue stick, don't use the wet glue. Mr. Rogers is being weird. Don't use the wet glue, use your glue stick. Put some glue right where it says glue, not too much. And glue the flap on top. Just like this. See? And you can see the broken line. So you can fold that up so that you can see the flap. But that's done. So now we're going to take our notebook, and the first thing we'll do is we'll glue in the title, which looks backwards. I'm sorry about that. It's just like a mirror. I know I told you guys that before. So we're going to glue this in at the top, excuse me, at the top of the notebook. Okay, and then you want to take your little flap that you just made, put glue on the back here. We're going to glue that in next. And I'll show you where I have these glued in. And remember, it's going to look backwards. Okay, so put this here. So this is here. Now this should actually be glued in on the left side. So make sure you put this in on the left. And then over here on the right side of the notebook, we're going to glue in this piece. And you just put glue all over the back and glue that down flat. So let's glue this in. Okay. Put that in right next to your flap. And put a little more glue over here on this side so it stays down real good. Okay, so it looks like this now. And then the last thing we have to do is take the star, and we're going to put the star in the middle. Now with the star, because you have to cut on the solid lines here, you only want to put glue on the back of the circle part. Okay, so back there you can see the word multiply through it if you hold it up to the light. So we're just going to put glue on that little circle part at the back. And then we glue that in. Alright, so that's what it should look like when you're done. And these pieces should not be glued down because you want to be able to fold those in. Because when we do our notebook together, hopefully tomorrow, we'll be able to glue these flaps up and put in the math problems and how to solve them underneath. Okay? And then see here, we can lift this flap up just like that, and we'll fill in that information tomorrow too. Okay? So remember, like I said, it's going to look backwards here on the notebook, but remember, this is on the left-hand side of the notebook, and this is on the right side, and then this is right in the middle. Okay? That's it. Alright, so play the video over if you need to, and put your notebook page together. Thanks a lot, guys.